Yada say yamwa kwa baby Adom TV. Badwam dwumade yi eso yada so mre. Ene adaje a wode ma ya bribia mede afia amankwa tamaklo. Enyimfiri ha ne tie we pa na nkomo we nso de ye. Nyame ya Adom a ye AUCB Alumni Meet and Greet 2025 and also baso networking. Nyame ya Adom akosukui first never no AUCC. Nyame ya Adom obi ma ye chese. Tuba honum a bia na wo blessing bi hye obi botom e se ne ye koye di mu ankasa nti no anopai de kumonji mtete a ka oye member of planning committee wa ha na dosia obri asare deputy organizing secretary and menyo mu ha e bedim komoy me makwa be
yeah
na bia bokode apato wo ye say
we 2013
okay na also
me 2019
okay na me 2014.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Enti nyame ya Adom meet and greet.
Okay.
Baso. Mama fen free kumoji hoy. Mpacho bonetofa meet and greet be ya.
Okay, meet and greet no we stronko. Very networking event be one of its kind. They say no AUCB you name the dada AUCC no. They say AUCB.
The AUCB near the
African University of Communication and Business.
Okay.
The full meaning, you know.
Yes.
The 1st July no, Asia Discovery House Dabraka.
Okay.
Maybe I be the home common because we school no I check pa. Until say it me share na networking opportunity bi o wa na yetimi edidi home common. They say answer AUCB enya charter yi.
Say ye ho.
No until nuntina you are until 1st July there. Empire Beja.
Wow. I'm going to see where no so moja emumo. Enti wadaro ma the entia e also bia wafa former AUCC ai na eye AUCB. E also oba nyame Adom 1st July ye Tuesday meboa. Ebre na ye time be.
Ebre na enwumre no.
Oh okay 5 p.m.
No yes. Ebe cocktail.
Ebe no we did you.
Exactly. Ti asese dwumedie bi nso na se ne obi sae no say ye wie school ache ato omo wie last year na wo mu say bra ye be school no na dodo na ye dwuma deda but we are at a time in life to say you see who you know but meme de who you know and who knows you abeka ho nti obi a wo call AIJC AUCC AUCB so wo to me bo modern eba program e bia na wo colleagues ana say wo mates wo ni omotena class mu share be 15 years ago no mo to me be here at least we are able to reconnect again and there are lots of opportunities out there say no say be ubebu obi a anye webusu eni a ebi ana wasoreba ana obi a woni ko school nti ye besre na obi okọ AUCC AIJC AUCB bia a wo wiase afa na nyina bebi owo bia no Tuesday 1st July nyamboa ye da aban fufure ya se ode ama ye holiday nti anopa na ewi ana eja ye koye ne ebe ye a enwumre no na ye nya ye fa ye ni enkyere ho opportunities na de metumi aboa me colleague ebi ana wo ba kra ehia moa exactly nti ehia pa
nti dwumadi ati say me nya sure say school another for alumni nko a ye wo mpanimfo ahodo bi a omo ba bi ti se hwan
ye wo honorable Kojuyanka ye founder of AIJC AUCC AUCB ono so ba and ye wo ora mame
Ura Frank
Edu new chancellor our AUCB ono so a special guest all ba na all students in so no ya ye obebre wo hono and the dusty all students Jerry Justice they say Adom TV ha ni multimedia there
we crowd say nuts Nathaniel Ato, citizen Ato.
Ononso ye old student.
Nim say Becky no multimedia de.
Abuna Poku anso ye old student. Selas nso ye old student.
Omodoso.
Omodoso
Mike 2.
Baba Tando.
Ai Baba. I'm running for you amumro. Untime obody name ba first kana bra.
I'm say media houses ne de omaje school na fa.
Wow.
Yeah, time I had about close to 9 or 10 from the very prominent media houses.
Oh, police for one.
Police for the baby.
I don't know class and none of oh, Charlie, easy. Wow. Tinyami Adoma Tuesday. 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Exactly.
Exactly. Wow. But apart from I don't know, Bibi or home maybe a Bayashe school and Munyamana.
Yeah, and you know, almost say you horse our campus, your African Unity, your Dinkra or Baba or when I discovery or your good year Caribbean, and you know, while any of the horse near Saoba. A chedians or why at the mouth. Okay. The year group so and also I saw to me back. Okay. And you were a good year baby or why that day no. Okay. Maybe I'll contact you or why. Yes, contact or why will be to me after. Okay. Say you hear more information. I'll be to me after 0277 71 6464 0277 71 6464. Remember those here, you were at dress code be ana.
Oh, dress code ne there any casual, any good attire, yes, for the evening. Yes.
Okay, it to be a Saba.
Exactly. Okay. Because there are lots of program lineup into ye person be feeling free. Sir. Na utumi Kenya.
It's more direction to the place and I can say I found any so. By other visitors in Subeti.
Of course, our doors are widely open. Okay. And our school, no, thank God, and so it's located in the central of Accra. Exactly.
Center of the city.
And no crane is same in crime. I'm a call. To me, if you may do me more direct now. Okay. Who call AUCC? Sorry, AUCB Discovery House now. From Kwame Nkrumah Circle, you get to Roxy. If you are driving, you take your left. Then you continue. Just about less than 100 meters from Roxy Cinema.
Into this will be from NDC headquarters, the next junction. And
exactly.
The next two junctions.
Yes, the next two junctions.
From NDC headquarters at Abraka, the next two junctions, what any or left.
So one driving so now what the commercial car nearby no so we do Roxy and we see now walk across the road. And now if you are Accra nearby the two junctions before Champion Restaurant, Evangel Assemblies of God. We see one and I will 10 years. Yes. And I say Google Map and so we me about AUCC. I think yes, on the map you will get it AUCC. Okay. It's just straightforward. Okay.
Tiano Nyambua Tuesday. Any Asia. Meet and greet. 2025. Networking.
Exactly.
So be a if you watch it.
Apart from social media, Facebook, I
no group pages and me idea who be comment about on kind and because changes aba.
Exactly. No masses. Because when you promotions or more ya form a handful near the nanante boa.
Nana
Obama Ntoa.
Oh, but another nana be no so ye me mate or police ni.
Okay.
Hey, Yehoah. Oh, atibu. Yeah. I'm refi nana di. Hey, see Collins. O school Collins are different. Ti nana unkoso. Fache me se banka unkunya di no fache me. Ti ene bibi wo hobie mana.
Senior Yakanunti, say be out information via number na me boy no 0277 716464. Obit me after 0244 822034 0244 822034. Into fair information be on ye piano and the bema.
That's it, Kumaji, ne dosia. Yamishram,
Yamishram, Aquenia Modia.
What's me that day? Yababa, Yamia Duma. And see, I'm comrade now, Yaba, Yabatwasso.